Hi everyone, my name is Delene Grant and welcome to my presentation on Exmorley Law Firm, Hussein Moftaderi, Damages, My Experience. Okay, please feel free to pause and read as I go along, and as I had mentioned before, you are already familiar with a lot of these slides because I am showcasing here Hussein Moftaderi Hicks Morley Law role, the role they play with my SIB case. Okay, their involvement was criminal actually. Okay, please feel free to pause and read and make your comment. Thank you. 2019, still within 2019, a lot of things happened as I made mention before. This is now part 5 of 6. Okay. The Canadian system, they executed their next plan. Wow. Everything they came with, I had evidences to prove. They had to do something drastic. Yeah. Again. Okay. On July 11, 2019, retained Neymark Law for motor vehicle accident. Dated July 2nd, 2019, lawyer stated that they heard I had other cases. Remember in my previous presentation, right? I was coerced to transfer all my cases with the exception of WSIB to their firm. Told Neymark Law that I would think about it. I'm recapping, okay? After 2 weeks deliberation, I eventually signed my other cases over to Neymark Law on July 26, 2019. Very important date, okay? As you can see here, the meeting was scheduled for July 26th, okay? And this was 2019. This email was July 5th, 2019. And it was making arrangement for my meeting with Miss Zaitoun. It's a V word. I cannot pronounce that last name. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. But I saw Neymark Law firm on July 26th, and they were retained. I signed a contract. Okay, regarding my wrongful dismissal and long-term disability cases. Okay. This simply means that my examination for discovery would have been cancelled. Yay, mission accomplished. That's what they wanted, but I didn't realize that at the time, okay? Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. At the time, I did not know that I was caught up in another scheme by the lawyers. These lawyers are all corrupt, oh boy. I believe that there are good lawyers around. I did come across Benjamin Law Firm. I believe he was, and I believe that he was a good lawyer, and I did come across good doctors. Yeah, but the ones that I was lined up with at the moment were not good. My experience, okay? You may find them good to you. This is my experience with them, all right? Okay. Okay, these lawyers are all corrupt. I had nowhere else to go. Neymark Law had all my cases. The examination for discovery, long-term disability dated August 16, 2019 was cancelled. This was the plan. You're saying Moftaderi had a plan and this was it. I'm now cornered, okay? Events that took place after I signed my cases over to Neymark Law, right? Contracts for wrongful dismissal and long-term disability. Those two were signed over, okay? Motor vehicle accident number 2, which you're already aware from my previous presentation on motor vehicle accident, right? So as you can recall, I drove my vehicle for the first time since it was repaired. It was sitting in my driveway for 2 weeks. Okay, I drove it for the first time to physiotherapy, and that's when that second motor vehicle accident happened. All right, feel free to pause and read. Thank you. This time, this accident was a 3-car accident. My vehicle contained 5 people, Hyundai, and the Murano, Nissan Murano, 1 person. So the airbags were deployed in both vehicles. Okay, this accident was worse than the first, and this accident was actually again involved 7 of us, 5 black occupants in the middle car, I am in the first vehicle, and the Nissan Murano had another black person. So all black. And this accident also occurred on time 3:56 p.m. 3:56 p.m. Okay, August 8, 2019. No, yeah. Okay. From what I know from the Bible, it talks about that we rest not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, rulers of darkness in high places. Hope I'm quoting it right. If not, something on that line, right? So we know definitely that, yeah, something doesn't look right here, because this accident, the second accident of August 8, 2019, occurred at 3:56 p.m. And my first accident of July 2nd, 2019, also occurred at the same time of day, 3:56 p.m. What if you were aware of these accidents and I had a stopwatch? Maybe the seconds would also match. Who knows? Huh? Can anyone answer this question? I would love both accidents at the same time of day. Does anyone have an answer for me? Please feel free to comment. Thank you. This accident was worse than the first, as I did indicate. Okay. Yeah. And again, was not taken to the hospital at all. Okay. As I did indicate, the system was really, they really got me this time, because I told myself that being a healthy person, I do not want to get back into the Canadian medical system. I did not want to, but no, the two accidents placed me back in the Canadian system, and what they have done, you understand? They didn't provide any care at all. When I tell others, they think that I am lying. Something is wrong with me. It's my experience. I didn't expect that either. I'm surprised. I did not expect that at all. I thought they would have provided care, but no. I already went through on my previous presentation on motor vehicle accidents, so please feel free to pause and read, okay? This time it's the York Region paramedics. York Region, Vaughan paramedics refused. It wasn't even taken into the ambulance at all. I wasn't even checked. It was my second accident in 1 month with my vehicle at a standstill while I was at a stationary at the traffic light. You understand? So, oh wow. Yeah, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. All along, you see how they were playing. Yeah. Yeah. There are more information in it, but if you have not yet looked at the motor vehicle accident, please feel free to do so. It's more detailed. Thank you. Physiotherapists and medical doctors joined in solidarity to further distort my medical records. Physiotherapists had no record of my attendance at Eeltopia Clinic, Dr. Bertolo, that is, on August 8, 2019, and the medical doctors recorded various diagnoses in their clinical notes without examination to further add falsified medical information to my medical records with the Ministry of Health. They were doing so that if anything now, things that are on my record, if I should go to court, they would say, oh, you had this before, you had that before. It's not a result of the accidents. That's what they were doing. Yeah. Feel free to pause and read. We went through, as I said, in my motor vehicle accident presentation, and I'll be going fast, okay? Okay, thank you. This is proof. Thursday, August 8, 2019, I did attend a clinic, and I got an appointment here, Thursday, August 8, 2019, as you can see, okay? And this is, if this was not an intent to deceive, let me know, because I did not see this doctor on August 9th yet still. They have August 9th here. I saw the doctor on August 7th. You understand? And August 8th. Where's August 8th? Right? And even so, nothing should have been here. I did not attend his clinic on August 9th. Okay, here it is deception. It's really misleading, because it says here August 9th was in another motor vehicle accident yesterday, as if I did not see him on August 8th. Please feel free to pause and read. I saw him on August 12th. Okay, Okay. Okay. Isn't this a deception? August 9th, 2019. I was never at his clinic. Why would he indicate it here as if I was there and that I reported that I had new motor vehicle accident, you know? Yeah, on August 8th. Oh, okay. And he recorded information here, right? I was supposed to go to a funeral. I was there for August 7th, right? 2019. I was at his clinic, right? That is Healtopia. I was supposed to go to a funeral information here, right? For the 9th. And I couldn't even attend the funeral because I was in so much pain. You understand? I was in so much pain. So I had to apologize. I could not. But this lawyer had, sorry, this Dr. Bertolo at Healtopia indicated August 9th, 2019, as if I was there. Where was August 8th? Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Yeah. I left his office that day. And the next thing, you see, the Speedy Morano. Everyone was at a standstill. As per the eyewitness, the Morano was speeding. Why? Everyone was at a standstill. Why? Okay? And as soon as I got it, the vehicles were moving. The vehicles ahead were moving. So why didn't he indicate? I guess he didn't want to be investigated that I was actually coming from his office on August 8th. Does anyone have any answer? Can you answer this, please? Thank you. And here went to Dr. Malik from July 18th when I went to Dr. Malik's office, right? And July 19th, and I was not sent for any examination, okay? And again, July 25th, still no examination, okay? And I've already been through this with you, so I don't have to go through again, okay? But here, August 10th, this is the information. He's making notes, he's making notes, but no examination. What's going on? And then here, neck sprain and low back sprain, nothing like that. Post, nothing. It's like I had something like that before. That's what he's indicating here. Feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Here, just I've indicated where after all that, there's now Nicolini Law appeared in August 14. Now Nicolini Law appeared, to state that my hearing was July 4, 2019, after Hussein Muftaderi, Hicks-Morley Law, had its field day with me. You see the gap? I didn't hear from Nicolini Law Firm until this date, August 14, 2019. Yeah. Be free to pause and read. Okay, thank you. Examination for discovery long-term disability dated August 16, 2019 cancelled. After several attempts to distort my medical records had failed, they finally succeeded to have the examination for discovery cancelled. My cases were now with Naymark Law. Danger, danger, danger. Yeah. Okay, we have already been through this one where my WSIB lawyer changed address. Okay, so new office. Okay, so I just included it, that everything now is back on track. So 30th of September 2019, I received the letter from Waziat, and it still had the hearing date set for February 4th. No more changes, still set, okay? Feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Still, October 17th, 2019, still not examined, and complaining of all the persistent pain in both legs, burning sensation, also having pain left foot area, and all that information recorded, but still no examination. Then he's gonna say that I have fibromyalgia. He's saying, indicating that I had neck problems and back problems. It was prior. Post mean it was prior. So you're saying I have fibromyalgia. So if I should take my case to court, definitely the judge is gonna say, well, we cannot say it's your accident because you had neck and back pains prior. Huh? I told the doctor no, and I got this from him. This information on 10 fibromyalgia symptoms in women. You understand? My pain was a result of the motor vehicle accident. He's telling me fibromyalgia. Please feel free to pause and read. Okay, thank you. So I went to Dr. Malik. So I bought my swollen knees, right? 16th of October, I took the picture, okay? Saw him on October 18th, and I had to insist on an ultrasound. I tell you, it was really difficult to get a test, an examination from him. All right, I insist on ultrasound and x-ray. He said ultrasound only, okay? This is to prove here that I was in communication with Nicolini Law Firm, and the preparation date was set and all that, and everything was now back on track, eh? I tell you, yeah. So there was an intent. Something was wrong there, eh? What do you think? Please feel free to pause and read. Thank you. Okay, Aviva Auto Insurance Specialist and Assessor Solidarity Fault Report on my injuries continued. Already went through this. I was denied by the specialist and the assessor. Assessor came to my house, and also the doctor here, the doctor I saw regarding my injury, because they sent me to their doctor. Their doctor is not for me. Their doctor is for them. So with all the aches and pains and complaints, the doctor actually did me wrong. Please feel free to pause and read. Okay, thank you. Aviva Auto Insurance because of Hussein Moftaderi, Adrian Nicolini, Ryan Neymark, and Courtney Madison. There these two, Neymark, Ryan Neymark and Courtney Madison, are from Neymark Law. This is now December 9, 2019, okay? Aviva Insurance denied both accident claims within 5 months of accidents. No medical reports on injuries. Okay. Neymark Law stated in July 2019 that I should not speak with anyone at Aviva Auto Insurance. Instead, they would act on my behalf. In December 2019, both my rear-ended motor vehicle accident claims were denied by Aviva Auto Insurance. I only received a check in the amount of $3,488.58 from Aviva Auto Insurance for NVA of July 2nd, 2019. The motor vehicle accident of August 8th was ignored. There was no compensation. I in my motor vehicle accident presentation, I did indicate that I spoke to Neymark Law about the amount, because I just figured that if I cash it meant settlement. He said no, I can cash it, and he would sue for the difference. I did not agree with that, but I didn't want to argue with a lawyer, I'm thinking, okay, maybe the system over here is different, so I followed his instruction. Okay, please feel free to pause and read. Thank you.